expect to see that intro from now on a lot. I'm just kidding. Well, actually not. See, none of my videos have any intro, like other than myself starting to talk right away or whatever. Hey everybody, hello everybody, hey everybody. So I thought about making an intro for myself. By the way, you may have noticed that I changed my name. I mean, the channel's name is not the same anymore. Big Adrian is not here anymore. He's no longer here. I've been thinking about it for a long time now. And there's one simple reason, all right? So I'm trying to build my identity around my full name and not around a tag or a label. So killing my nickname for now will do good for sure. And I think it was a wise decision to change the name to my real name, because this way I can relate directly to my work and my work can relate to, yeah, you know what I mean, right? So having this in mind, I said, how can I handle this with my poor knowledge in software, motion graphics software like After Effects? But then I suddenly had this idea about simulating handwriting. And I didn't want to complicate myself with another software, so I came across another way to do it. So I just recorded it. So start recording the screen and try your best in Photoshop. I wrote my name just as I would normally do when signing an artwork. Then we import the video into Premiere and keep existing settings. Select the sound with Alt and left click and delete it. Now, change the speed to something around 700% and select the optical flow option. Then just go across the video and choose your favorite shot. Alright, next step. It's time to import some artwork, so get your best images together and import them into Premiere. Select all of them and go to Clip to select Automate a Sequence. This will make sure they all have the same length in time. We need them to be fast, so 4 frames would do good. And there they are. For demo purpose, I only selected a few and I'm now repeating them to fill the rest, but it's better if they're all unique. So make sure you select a different blending mode for some cool effects. And now we need some sounds too, but I don't want to download existing ones. I'd like a scratching sound, you know, like pencil on paper. But then I have this. And it's... art supply smells so good. Yeah, we won't need this. All we need is just the box. I think I can scratch it with something. This one will do. It's funny because I'm using a digital thing on a traditional medium to emulate the sound of a traditional medium on a digital thing. Yeah, never mind. Alright, enough of this shit. Next thing we do is to choose our favorite scratch sound. That was the chosen one, so we drag it into our library and then we add it to the timeline. I wanted a musical background too, so I went straight into YouTube audio library just to make sure I don't face copyright issues in the future. And that's pretty much it. After tweaking and changing things over and over, getting stuck into details and even wondering why I'm actually doing this, I finally made it. And you can make it too, so stay creative and find the best design for you. Yes, I got inspired by Marvel's intro a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know, like, subscribe and all that stuff. And thanks a lot for your support. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Stay creative.